Military Occupational Specialty, Test, Measurement, and Diagnostic Equipment Maintenance Support Specialist. Our soldiers use all kinds of devices and instruments to test and measure the accuracy of weapons systems components to help diagnose their problems, and these specialists ensure that the devices are working properly. For this, the Army will train you at Redstone Arsenal, Alabama in basic electronic theory, in direct and alternating current, resistance and circuit analysis. You'll also train to connect components, take measurements, and troubleshoot circuits. Train to use soldering tools, to remove and replace defective parts, to use data processing terminals, to read schematics and trace circuit flow, and to check and calibrate a variety of test equipment. You'll train as well to make physical measurements using precision gauge blocks, vacuum test gauges, and pneumatic pressure standards. After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you'll work long hours in the field, day or night, where your duties in a portable shop may be to calibrate or repair test equipment, or test its performance and adjust components for best results. You may also work in a mobile van, checking the accuracy of tools, and you may test pressure gauges using special techniques to assure accuracy or calibrate power settings in a radio test set. You may also be part of a mobile team that frequently assists equipment users in the field. Serving in this MOS can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector because your skills in leadership, teamwork, and problem solving, combined with a more developed sense of responsibility, self-discipline, and motivation, are skills and values in demand by civilian employers. This critical Army job assures test equipment accuracy and the readiness of Army weapons systems. Military Occupational Specialty, Test, Measurement, and Diagnostic Equipment Maintenance Support Specialist.